Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of probiotics, and I'm excited to introduce you to what I believe is the best probiotic for yeast infection available: Physician's Choice Probiotics for Women. Let's start by breaking down what makes this probiotic stand out from the rest. Physician's Choice Probiotics for Women is not just your average probiotic. It's specifically designed to support feminine health, including combating yeast infections. With 50 billion CFUs and 6 unique strains tailored for women, this probiotic packs a powerful punch. What's inside this tiny capsule? Well, it's a carefully crafted blend of probiotics, including lactobacillus and bifidobacterium strains, combined with organic prebiotics, D-mannose, and cranberry extract. These ingredients work together to maintain a healthy balance of bacteria in the gut and urinary tract, crucial for preventing yeast infections and promoting overall feminine health. But what sets Physician's Choice apart is its commitment to quality and effectiveness. The probiotic is designed to survive the journey through the gut, thanks to its shelf-stable bottle, acid-resistant capsules, and high CFU count. Plus, it's backed by science, with research supporting its efficacy in maintaining gut and urinary tract health. Don't just take my word for it. Let's hear from some satisfied customers. Many users have reported significant improvements in their digestive health, relief from bloating and gas, and most importantly, a reduction in yeast infections. It's no wonder this product has garnered thousands of positive reviews. Now, let's hear from some real-life users about their experiences with Physician's Choice Probiotics for Women. So, if you're tired of dealing with yeast infections and want a natural, effective solution, look no further than Physician's Choice Probiotics for Women. With its potent blend of probiotics, prebiotics, and targeted ingredients, it's truly a game-changer for feminine health. Don't let yeast infections hold you back any longer. Give Physician's Choice a try today. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to subscribe for more in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Until next time, stay healthy and informed.